Integrated Systems Design would like to introduce a revolutionary new concept in distribution operations called one-touch distribution. One-touch distribution leverages varied and established technologies and meshes them together to create a distribution environment, fully automated and like no other. Starting with area number 1, inbound processing. Technologies have now evolved to move product, whether in cases or on pallets, from the trucks onto the docks autonomously without human intervention. This area can incorporate other technologies like RFID and vision systems, which can validate product as it's being moved out of the trucks for an automated receipt process. Moving to area number 2, dense pallet storage and retrieval systems, there are a variety of technologies that can be applied in this area depending on product type, weight, size, or temperature requirements. This can be a fully automated process coming directly from the receiving docks and put away within these mediums. These systems also allow for fully automated pallet picking for outbound orders. Area number 3 shows the depalletizing of product using a gantry system where we can strip layers of product and singulate cases to be moved into other high-density cube storage and retrieval systems. Cases can also be automatically decanted into totes for split case picking downstream. Product flowing into area number 3 can either be brought directly from the receiving area or pulled from area number 2, the dense pallet storage. Looking at area number 4, there is a wide range of systems that can be used to move cases or individual split case products through a facility. Item, building, and operational characteristics such as product weight and size, SKU velocities, building height, customer service levels, or special handling requirements can be the driving factors of the design of this area. These systems allow us to pick any product in any sequence, with the pick process tightly controlling order sequencing instead of relying on extensive downstream processes. This can be a fully or semi-automated case and piece picking process depending on customer requirements and goals. These systems pick at extremely high rates of speed. They are deadly accurate. And again, in many cases, this can be an operator-free process where the automation will take the entire burden of picking the products and routing it out of the system. Picked products are then brought to area number 5, where we move into other technologies for validating picks, labeling product, manifesting cartons or pallets, sorting packages, and consolidating orders with picks from disparate areas. This area can even include automated mixed-case palletizing for orders with case and split-case lines being shipped LTL and freight. These can all be done in a fully automated process and can even account for specific item characteristics, such as temperature, weight, fragility, or special sequencing. The accuracy and streamlined process these technologies offer are especially important in environments like retail or direct store delivery operations, where sequencing is largely based on truckload, truck route, and how orders are shipped. In some cases, even sequenced to the point of delivery within an aisle, within a retail environment. Once these orders are consolidated, orders can move directly from area number 5 to area number 6, where automated truck loading technologies allow for fully customizable operations, whether for direct or sequence truck loading. Alternatively, orders can be moved into temporary storage, which could be another form of automated storage and retrieval that will buffer orders until they are ready to be shipped. It's important to note that the way the one-touch distribution model is set up, all these systems can be adapted to fit specific customer requirements or even multiple different requirements for different customers within the same facility. These operations can now be automated and adaptable at their customer level and not just at a facility level. The flexibility of this model cannot be understated. Operations can approach a completely lights-out warehouse where there is very little to no human involvement other than managing the overall system. This is the cutting edge of where these proven technologies integrate within a facility. One-touch distribution is a game changer to most operations by improving labor requirements, storage density, order accuracy, throughput, and flexibility. The model can be implemented in a phased approach that allows a customer to grow into a larger system over time. There are very few limits that can be placed once we understand all the different requirements of a customer's operation. We'd like to thank you for considering one-touch distribution for the MHI Innovation Award, and if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to Integrated Systems Design for any additional information. Thank you again.